Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Happy New Year! Today I will be sharing with you my New Year Eve. 2020 was a very harmful and hard year for every one of us. Hope so 2021 will be a good year. I choose to welcome 2021 with a vanilla coffee Yule cake. For sponge cake, whisk 5 eggs at room temperature with 150 grams of sugar. Add your sugar little by little. Whenever you add your sugar, you have to lower your speed of your mixer. Lower your speed, add your sugar, then bring it to high speed. Work this way until the eggs double in size, and you will get nice, white, fluffy, airy, and foamy mixture between eggs and sugar. Whenever I get the right texture, I will add my flour. Add your 150 grams of flour little by little. Each time you add your flour, you have to sift it. Each time you are adding your flour, mix it gently. You have to incorporate your flour inside your egg mixture very well, but with gentle way. Fold your flour gently until your flour incorporates inside your mixture. Then pour it inside your pan. Bake it for about 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, your Yule log is well baked. Take it out from the oven. You have to turn it over now to get Yule log shape. On the top of your cake, put parchment paper and one humid towel and other pan. Flip over your cake. Take out the parchment paper that you have baked your cake in it before. Now it's time to roll our Yule log. When your Yule log sponge cake is hot, roll it with a humid towel. This humid towel gives a nice shape to your Yule log and protect it to being broken. Set it aside outside of your fridge. Now it's time to prepare our cream. Because I don't like buttercream, I covered my cake with cream cheese cream. 450 grams of cream cheese, 250 grams of heavy cream, and 250 grams of confectioner sugar. Mix everything well until it doubles its volume and you will get nice, airy, fluffy cream cheese cream. I alternate between sugar and heavy cream to get a nice texture. Now it's time to assemble our cake. Open your cake gently to avoid breaking it. I soaked my cake with coffee. Coffee gives a nice taste to this cake. After soaking it very well, fill up your cake with your cream. Put a nice and thin layer of cream. Spread it with a spatula to make it even. I filled my cake with diced bananas. The mixture between coffee taste, vanilla cream, and sponge cake and bananas give you a banoffee cake taste. Roll your cake and tight it very well. After rolling it, now it's time to put our crumb coat. You have to crumb coat our Yule log. Yule log is like a cake. We have to put the first layer of cream, then second layer of cream. Crumb coat your Yule log and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your crumb coat is setting well. Now it's time to do the final design. Cut a quarter of your cake and put it beside your cake to make it look like a tree. Adjust the other side of your cake to make it look beautiful. I decorated my cake with a piping bag that have a tree nozzle. You can decorate your cake whatever you want. Don't forget to put cream in the edges. I adjust my edges shape with a fork, and you can use fork for decoration too, if you don't have a piping bag like me. Yule log is easy cake. You can make it for New Year. You don't need too much supplies to make this cake. It's very easy to make it. I decorated my Yule log with easy and tasty decoration. It's chocolate decoration. I will show you how did I make this chocolate decoration at the end of my video. And to make it more beautiful and festive, I spread some chocolate balls on the top. Sprinkle some cocoa powder and confectioner sugar, and your Yule log now is ready to celebrate your new year with it. For my easy chocolate decorations, I melted my chocolate chips in my microwave. Put it in a piping bag. I draw a Christmas tree shape and number 2021 in my parchment paper. With my chocolate, I followed my drawings. Put it in the fridge for about half hour, and your decoration is ready to use it. And to get a nice and beautiful circle shape of chocolate in a bowl with cold water and icing bag, I swirl my leftover of chocolate. Swirl, swirl, swirl until you get nice and circle shape. When you notice your chocolate circle become hard, take it out from the water and put it in freezer for about a half hour. My cake inside is very moist and spongy. The taste of coffee, banana, and cream cheese cream is like banoffee taste. Is very tasty. Hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Bye.